Hey everyone, how's it going? Today in this video we will be going over how to install the Orangini GTK theme on Linux. So to start off, you need to go to the Orangini page on gnomelook.org, as we see here. From here you need to go to the download section, and this is the files. So from here you can download and you can click the download button like so. Now this will download it to your computer. From here you can open up a terminal window and move into the downloads directory. And once you're in the downloads directory, we can see Orangini is right there. So from here we can extract the contents of Orangini. We can paste the command here. And now as we see, we can take a look. And if we run the ls command, we can view the contents of the folder here. So from here, we can do the installation. So to start off, and we're going to do the single user installation in this one, but to start off, make a theme folder. And if we go into themes, you can see I've got a lot of themes in here, including Orangini 2.3, but we're going to be installing 2.2. So from here we can do mv Orangini and then themes. Now once we go back into the themes folder, we can see both are installed. So from here I can open up my appearance settings for XFCE and I can look for the Orangini theme. It seems to be not working the way it's supposed to. I don't know what the deal is with that. Hold on a second here, guys. Okay, so go to style. So Orangini is right here. We set 2.2 and we can do 2.3. Now, the thing I like about this is it makes my panel kind of transparent, which I think is pretty cool. But the file manager looks pretty awesome too. It's got little highlights of orange and gray and stuff. I would imagine that it looks a little bit better on systems with more modern graphical stuff going on like GTK3, but I'm recording this on XFCE and it does work on here, so definitely check it out if you are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.